You might think pink is an odd color for a Frank Lloyd Wright creation, and you would be right. That color wasn't Wright's original intent, but instead is the result of an accident. Wright's design incorporated the colors of the Sierra Nevada mountains into its exterior. It was supposed to have gray concrete blocks embedded with purple flecks. Unfortunately, a masonry installation mistake left the blocks with marks that couldn't be removed. By then, Wright had died. The architects at Taliesin concluded that paint was the only solution. The family then chose pink, another color of the mountains. They also adopted it as their unofficial family color. The house remained in the same family until 2009, when it sold after the deaths of its owners for $1.595 million according to CNN Money. Marketing literature at the time described it as an unusually spacious and livable home, ideal for executive entertaining or raising a family. Although the Ablin House isn't ordinarily open to the public, visitors occasionally get inside. Thanks to the generosity of Lamar Kersley, who allowed me to use these images, you can see what it looks like. You can see more of his photos on his Facebook page. You can also see photos of the interior and exterior taken by Paul Keeler. To see more interior shots, a copy of Mrs. Ablin's letter, a photo of her with Mr. Wright, and a plan for the house at esotericsurvey.com.